Okay, so we only have just like 3 more students, but I'm going to start. Now, for those of you who don't know me, actually, I know Miss Ivy. Okay, Miss Ivy actually taught you. My guess is that because she's taking like 2 classes, I think Friday and Saturday, right? So this is a merge of classes. From now on, your class will always be on Tuesday at this timing. From now until even 2024, it has got to be this timing. Is it okay? Yeah, so you will have to log in at this time to attend class. Let's see, somebody just came in. Is it Bernie? Bernie, you just came in? Right. Hi, Bernie. Okay, I think Bernie I taught before also. Now, some of you here were taught by me earlier. Then after that, Miss Ivy took over. Okay, because I was concentrating on P5 and P6 classes, quite many classes then. Then, now I'm taking the classes back. Okay, so you will be with me from now until next year. I will not be leaving anytime. Okay, so don't worry. So if you think that, later change teacher again, no. I will carry on all the way. All right. So, I think Anlak is familiar with me. Who else? Sheena, you were taught by me for a while, right? And then Bernie was taught by me for a while. Charmaine as well. Aaron also. Eldia, I'm not too sure. Eldia, were you taught by me before? Are you here? You can actually either unmute or you can type into the chat. Caden, I don't think I've taught you before, right? Caden? Or only a short while? Never. Okay. All right. So there's one thing I need you to learn about me. I like interaction. I like it when you are actually responding. So at least I know that you are there. You are learning. Right now, I always ask students to respond. So I do appreciate that you respond. I will call parents up now and then to inform them about your progress. I think it's crucial, especially next year is streaming year for you. Okay, so you need to be really, really on the dot. Every time I ask you things that you must. Yeah, play the game together, answer my questions. If you're not sure, ask questions. The most important thing is you have to ask questions. Now, the house rules, you are familiar already. Maybe Hao Lun doesn't know, but Hao Lun, can you see my screen now? These are the house rules. I don't have to go through point by point. I think you have read everything already. Anytime you want to go washroom, just tell me. I need to go washroom. Even if your camera is not turned on, I still wish that you are going to tell me. I can see everybody's faces, like I've said before to my earlier students and always to my other classes. The screen in front of me is my laptop. I see everybody's faces, including myself. Okay. And then below here, I have my tablet. It's for me to scribble things on the PowerPoint slides. On my right, over this side, okay, is a big screen with all your names here, all your answers, etc. Okay, so this is how I operate, just to let you know. I have also upgraded with one more visualizer. So sometimes during lesson, I need to demonstrate things. So I'll be showing you using the visualizer. Okay, so learning becomes better for you. Now, anything you want to ask about me, you may. You just have to type into the chat. Okay, I have 2 children. Okay, my son is like you. Okay, just finished Sec 1, going on to Sec 2. My daughter is in Sec 3, going on to Sec 4 next year. Okay, so my son is just behind me. He just walked past. Now he ran away after I say, my son is Sec 1, quickly run away. Okay, yeah. So he is okay in science. He is very good in mathematics. He struggles in Chinese, but he is trying his best to get better. Not too sure whether you all have the struggle in Chinese also, but Chinese is not easy. Even for me, I feel that I'm only better in Chinese when I'm getting older and older. Okay, because of the need to read documents, etc. Now, I have taught for 20 years in school. Okay, about 20 years in school or slightly more than that. Then after that, I've been doing tutoring. I've been doing profiling. I've been doing trainings like brain-based learning, accelerated learning, etc. for students. Okay, I do profiling of characters, learning styles as well. Okay, so this is something that you know extra about me. All right, so right now I am full-time with 88 Tuition. I'm in charge of the tutorials, in fact. Okay, I'm in charge of the entire tutorial, so all the subjects are under me. Okay, so these are extra info. Anything else you want to know about me? I have a cat. Okay, do you have a pet? I used to have a student who has a dog, and then he will always show the dog during class. Anyone wants to talk about themselves? Do I play games? Yes, I play very simple games. Yeah, Aaron asked me, do you play games? Do you know what kind of games I like to play? Roblox. I played Roblox with my children once, and then they thought that, hey, this mother is very cool. Then after a while, I cannot make it. When I play the games, I'm still trying. Okay, I have an account. So maybe next time I can share with you. So when we play, when you are playing Roblox, we can also,切磋切磋, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm going to send you my number. This is my mobile number. Okay, it's for you to contact me should you have questions about science. I think it's crucial that in Sec 2 especially, streaming year, you might have questions you want to ask me about science, right? This is where you get me. If you want to play games together, maybe sometimes we can. Okay, I'll join in Roblox. How many of you play Roblox? Put out your hand. You play Roblox? No? Oh, no? Seriously? Only Aaron? Yeah? Roblox is no longer the game for all of you. Sheena plays also. Okay. Yeah, you might want to go and find your account. Sometimes you can play. Anything else you want to know? Because I'm going to be teaching you for a long period, right? So might as well you ask things about me that you know. I actually do get angry at times, especially when students don't do their work. After many, many times, I ask you and then you still don't do your work, I'll get upset and I'll inform your parents. I hope that's okay with you because I want to ensure your parents spend good money to put you here. Okay, Kaden? Yes or not? We will do your work, right? I haven't checked today's work. Just now I was in another class and it ended at 7:20. Then I came in here. I haven't had my dinner. Okay, because of the lesson, I cannot have my dinner yet, but I'll have it later. Okay, what school are my kids in? I don't know whether they're comfortable with me sharing. Okay, is there schools in the north? I stay in the north. All right, I stay in fact in between Sembawang and Yishun. Yeah, how many of you stay in the north? That would be nice to know. Yeah, around Canberra. So clever, Ziqi, how do you know? Ziqi, do you stay around here? You live in Sembawang. Wow. Okay, great. Okay, one extra thing about me, I'm starting to learn how to cycle. Okay, don't laugh at me. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to cycle. I'm learning. At this age, I'm not that young. Okay, but at this age, I'm still learning. Do you play Valorant, is it? I don't know that game, but I know that if I ask my son, he will know. He loves to play game. What is Valorant, Bernie? You want to share a bit? You can unmute yourself. How many of you knows that game? It's a shooting game. Killing people. 5 versus 5 shooter game. When we have our break time, I'll ask my son, okay? Maybe he can teach me how to play. Right. Really competitive. Oh my God. Okay. I am very competitive, I like to win. If I join, I'll make sure I win, but I'll be obsessed playing. So maybe I'll think about it first. Right. Anyway, can I add you on Roblox? I will find my login details first. Okay, I will share with you. But what y'all need to do, okay, then why are you laughing at me? Who's beside you? Is it your parent? Is it your parent? You're laughing at me with your parents. It's okay lah. I'm fine. No worries. Okay, right. So we had in quite a bit of chit chat already, right? What y'all can do is drop me a message on my phone. Okay, drop me a message. Unlike I have your number already. The rest of you, if I still do not have your number, yeah, good. Can you drop me a message? I might even consider starting a group chat. Yes, thank you, Sheena. I might even consider starting a group chat so that we can share notes, information, and then learn together because this is your Sec 2 year. Okay? Any questions so far? If not, I need you all to do something for me. Yeah, thank you for sending the message. Okay, this is the Google form that I created. I need you to fill up this form for me. All right, I need you to fill out this form for me because I need to know you. Okay, inside the form, I ask you for email address also because I am creating a Google Drive. All right, and then I have everything inside for you. Okay, even our answers, right? You will see everybody's answers there. You will see my comments on your answers there as well. Yeah, personal would be better because sometimes the school's email, they don't allow you to access certain Google Drive or something like that. They have their security set in. Oh, you don't really use that. Then you try to give me your school's one. Yeah, anyway, we are just sharing academic materials, right? Educational materials. It should be fine lah. If it doesn't work, then I will see how to help you. Okay, Sheena? Okay, then is your parent behind you or beside you? Just nod your head lah, Kaden. Is it? Yes. No, your friend, your brother, your sister, your sibling. Okay. You're laughing at me. Oh yeah, I feel shy already. Okay. Right. Can you fill up the form now? I'm actually looking at your information. Let's see who has finished. Nobody has. Okay, so you fill up your full name. Okay, fill up your email. Let me know what is your science MCQ marks. Please don't tell me that you forgot. Right, you just got it not too long ago, your results. Okay, then let me know your open-ended question marks also. Okay, let me know whether you hit your target this year. Okay, if you have already met your target, how are you going to keep it? If you have not, how do you intend to meet your target? And let me know the weak science topics as well, because in Set 2, you are going to be tested for Set 1 topics also in the final exam. Charmaine, yes, use your school email. No problem. Okay, I'm looking at the responses. You know what I'm doing with my P5 and P6 classes the last 2 days? For the Headstart to Sec 1, so previously they were in P6, finished their PSLE, we are doing mind mapping. Then for the Headstart to P5, Headstart to P6 students, that means 2023, they are P4 and P5. You know what they are doing? They are doing toy making sessions. They are having toy making sessions with me. So we are making science toys and it's a competition. Yeah, it's a competition. Okay, if you're interested, I can even open up to y'all. You want to make a science toy also can. Make the science toy, let me see. Okay. Let me share with you something that I will be doing so you are familiar. This is just a sample for the P5. All right. Okay. Can you see my screen now? Right. So from now onwards, from today onwards, you will be having something like that. Okay, every tutorial, if you can check the dates, right? Okay, this is for my P5 lah. P5 on Sunday, actually. So what I do with my students is all their names will be shown here, MCQ answers, and then the open-ended question answer also. Then I will be commenting, for example, like this person, okay, which cell part are you referring to? Okay, and then this person, I say, which cell part are you referring to? I give comments. Usually during lesson, I will tell you, okay, your answer is this, you are missing out on certain things. You should add in certain words to improve on your answer. This is what we will be doing. Okay, all of you will have access to this Google Sheet. And then every week, right? Okay, you will see everybody's answers there, right? So every time you receive their tutorial worksheet, make sure you do it. After you have done it, I will import it to the Google Sheet. Okay, everyone will have access. That's why I want your email address, right? When you see your own answer, see your friend's answer, then you know how to improve. Okay, but I really need all of you to do the work. If you don't do your work, there is no way I can help you. Now, why is this useful? Okay, this is very useful because everybody has their own